In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred. The process must be terminated. Please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first method we can do is to just uninstall Riot Vanguard. So what we want to do is to go to our search bar and type programs and features. So you can see this add and remove programs setting. So you want to click on it. And from here, we just want to search for Riot Vanguard. So when you see this, you just want to click uninstall. So after you have uninstalled the Riot Vanguard application, you want to open Valorant and it will not play because you have deleted the Riot Vanguard app. So what you want to do is to just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you want to open Valorant again, and it will automatically download the missing files. If it doesn't work for you, what we can do is to go to our File Explorer and go to the folder where your Valorant is installed. So you want to go to Riot Games and Valorant, go to Live, and go to Shooter Game, go to Binaries, Win64, and you want to scroll down until you find this Valorant application. So from here, you want to right click on it and go to properties. From here, you want to go to compatibility and you want to check this run this program as an administrator. After you've done that, you want to hit apply and OK. And that will simply fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.